Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IAS. Through this short video, I am going to explain how you can access the examination portal of Lukman IAS to attend the 400 Dreams Scholarship Test. For this purpose, you can visit our website, which is lukmanias.com. Once you visit the website, it will open up a pop-up like this. In this pop-up, notification related to exam is mentioned. Okay, so date of the examination is on 29th of August 2021 on Sunday. Okay, so exam will be conducted tomorrow, Sunday, and timing for the exam is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so related to the exam, we have already shared an email with you. That email has the login details for you. Okay, if you have not received any email from us, you can contact us on the number that is mentioned on this pop-up itself. Okay, or you can drop us an email on this email ID. Okay, after then here there is a button that says visit examination portal. If you click on this particular button, it is going to take you to this particular screen. Okay, so this is the examination portal. Over here it is asking you to enter the username and the password. Okay, so where will you find out the username and password? For that purpose, you need to just check your email. You may have received an email from digital@lukmanias.com. that email will be similar to this one. Okay, in this email also we have given you the link of the examination portal. You can click on this particular link. It is going to open up the same examination portal like this, and then you need to enter your email address as username. Okay, and the password is test@123. Okay, so the password is case sensitive. Okay, so once you enter your username, okay, and password, okay, and click on login, it is automatically going to take you to a screen where it says you must change your password to proceed. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to enter your current password, which is test@123. then you need to enter the password that you want to keep for this portal. Okay, you can enter your password, okay, which is new password. You have to enter the new password again. Okay, so let us enter the new password again. Okay, so I have entered the new password, and then I have clicked on save changes. Okay, then it says password has been changed. So now let us continue. Okay, so now we are on the dashboard. Okay, dashboard of this particular examination portal. It shows us a course that says the 400 Dreams Scholarship Test. If we click on this particular thing, the 400 Dreams Scholarship Test, it is going to open up the dashboard of the 400 Dreams Scholarship Test. Under this dashboard, we have 5 different tiles. One of the tile is about announcements, then other is about frequently asked questions, then we have 400 Dreams previous year questions for your practice purpose, then instruction related to the exam is mentioned, and the last tile is about online test. Remember, your online test will be available on the last tile itself. Okay, so tomorrow on 29th of August 2029, you will have to visit to the online test, and here there will be a button that says start test. Okay, if you click on that, then the exam is going to open. Okay, so apart from this, let us see what is there in other tiles. Okay, so before that, let us see the instruction tile. Okay, if you click on the instructions tile, here exam related instructions are mentioned, like it is going to be a objective type online test, and it is going to have 100 questions. Okay, carrying 200 marks, and there will be negative marking also. So exam related instructions are mentioned over here. Okay, so once you have read this particular thing, then you can go to the online test and you can attend the test. Okay, and if we talk about announcements related to the question to the test paper, you can click on that, and then the first one that we see is welcome message. We can click on welcome message. Now this is the welcome message that you can read. Okay, after you have read the welcome message, you can cross that out, then you can read the exam related notification. Okay, so this is the notification related to the exam. It is going to be conducted on Sunday, 29th of August 2021. Timing for the exam is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, you will be given only one attempt, okay, for this test, and the test is going to be totally online. Okay, if you face any challenges related to anything for 400 Dreams Scholarship Test, you can give us a call on this number, which is 9654 034293. Okay, so this is the number where you can give us a call. And apart from this, okay, apart from this, what you can do is, okay, so this is the number where you can call us. Okay, apart from this, you can also drop us an email. Okay, so at inquiries@lukmanias.com. Okay, so once you have gone through the exam notification, you can also read about terms and conditions. Okay, so terms and conditions related to the 400 Dreams Scholarship Test is mentioned over here. And after you have read all of them, you can cross that out. If you want to read about frequently asked questions related to 400 Dreams Scholarship Test, you can click on this particular tile that says FAQs, and you can read the frequently asked questions over here. Okay, and during the exam scenario, the exam will be similar to the one that you see in the middle tile. It says the 400 Dreams previous year questions. Okay, so like this is for practice purpose for those people who are not familiar with the online examination scenario. So they can visit over here, they can click on start test. Okay, if you click on start test, it is just going to open up the examination test related page. Then here it will be mentioned that time for the exam is 2 hours, only one attempt is allowed, grading method will be highest grade. Okay, so you can just click on start test. Okay, at this point of time it is showing reattempt because I have already attempted this particular test paper. Okay, so now you can see the test screen has opened up. Okay, so this screen has different portions. So let me explain you the different portions. See, the topmost portion of the screen. Okay, the topmost portion of the screen, this particular thing talks shows us information about the name of the test. Okay, so this is about name of the test. If we see the left portion of the screen, it shows us the question number. Okay, so question number and mark out of 2 means like you will be given 2 marks. Okay, for each question. Then if we talk about the middle section, this particular section. Okay, so the middle section has information. Okay, so it has information related to the question. So this is the exact question. Okay, this is the question panel where the questions will be shown to you. Okay, you can read the questions, you can mark your response once you have read the question. Okay, so I'll tell you how to answer this particular thing. Okay, and after then we have to the right portion of the screen we have quiz navigation, means like you can navigate through different questions over here. Okay, so like all the questions are mentioned over here. Okay, so just allow me a minute. Okay, so to the right side of the screen you can see the question numbers are mentioned. Okay, so this is the question panel. Here you can see all the 100 questions are listed. Okay, then we have time also keeps on showing on this particular screen that says time left 1 hour 58 minutes 21 seconds, like that. Okay, so now let us see how you can attend the questions. Okay, for this purpose you can read the question. If you think like you know the answer to this question, you can click on and your response, then you can click on next page. Okay, so it is going to bring the next question for you. Okay, so now you can see to the right panel of this particular screen that the question 1 has been green marked. It shows that you have already attempted this particular question. Then you can read the next question. Okay, then you can answer the next question. If you think you need to change your answer, you can click on clear my choice. Then you can attempt any other question like this. Okay, so I have attempted other question, and then if you think you want to move to a particular question in the test paper, let's consider I want to move to question number 15. I can directly click on 15 number over here. It is going to bring up the 15th question for me. Okay, so I can read this particular question, I can mark my response, and I can move to the next page. Okay, if you think that you want to go to the previous page, you can click on the previous page also. It is there on the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay, so it is going to take you to the previous question where you can review your questions. Okay, so similarly, for example, if you are on a particular question, let's say I'm on question number 27. I have read this particular question, but I did not understand this question fully. Okay, means like I'm not fully confident about answering this question. I can just flag this question if I want to revisit this question before the end of the examination. Okay, then I can put flag on it, and I can move to the next page. Okay, so if I'm moving to the next page, it shows red label, okay, to the top right corner of the question number 27. Okay, so this shows that like this in this question I have some doubt. I want to revisit this question, but I have not marked my answer for this question. Okay, similarly, for example, if you are on a different question like question number 28, you can mark your response over here, and still after marking the response you are not pretty sure whether you have marked it correct or not, you can put flag on this particular question also, then you can move to the next page. Okay, so flag can be put on those questions that are not answered by you. It can be put on questions that are answered by you. Okay, all those questions where we have green mark, it means you have answered those questions. Only those questions will be taken for will be evaluated, will be taken considered for evaluation purpose. Once you have answered all your questions, you can go to the bottom part of the screen. You can click on finish attempt. Okay, you can click on finish attempt. So after you click on finish attempt, it is going to bring the summary of the attempts. Okay, like for example, the question number 1. Okay, so it says answer saved. Okay, so like accidentally I clicked on that particular question, so it took me back to the question. Okay, so question number 1, it says answer saved. Question number 2 says answer saved. It means like I have answered these two questions. Okay, if I see question number 3, it says not yet answered, means I did not answer this question. Okay, similarly, like whatever your response were related to all these questions, it is it is going to show you the summary of the question. So this you should do at the end of the examination. Okay, when you are about to finish. And if you think you have some time left, you want to return to attempt, you want to attempt few more question, you can click on return to attempt. It is going to take you back to the question panel. And then once you are sure that you have answered all the questions, you should come to the bottom of the screen, and you can click on submit all and finish. This is very important. Okay, you need to click on submit all and finish. If you click on submit all and finish, only then it is going to be it is going to be it is going to be considered for evaluation purpose. Okay, so that's how that's how you can answer your test paper. Okay, so but the thing is, like tomorrow, once you attempt the test paper, after attending the test paper, what's going to happen means your answers will not be shown up then and there. Your answers will be discussed with you on 30th of August 2021. Okay, so that's all for you for the time being. I hope all the best to all the test takers. I hope like you get the maximum result that you can bring. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much everyone for watching this short video for 400 Dreams Scholarship Test. If you have any questions for us, you can always always reach us. You can call us on this number, which is 9654034293, or you can also drop a WhatsApp message to us. If you have some other specific queries, you can click on the contact us page in the website. So like there are various contact details mentioned, like phone numbers and email address. You can drop an email or give us a call on these numbers. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.